Hello, gorgeous. I haven't been able to upload the other video yet, so I thought I'd let you know what I'm doing here. I got this seeding tray at Walmart, and what I've done, I've planted 30 of each seed, and I've put little labels so I know what it is. So from here down, I have C. What is C? Let me see, my packages are all right here. That's the cucamelon. It's those little things, they're the size of a large grape, but they look like a miniature baby watermelon. But if you taste them, they taste like a cross between, well, it tastes like a cucumber that's ever so slightly lime flavored, and they grow on a vine. This next 3 rows, S, that's sweet basil. These next 3 rows, oh no, that's plain S. Sorry, plain S is shishito. That's Japanese shishito peppers, which are mild. Here is sweet basil, and up here the D is datura, which is also known as devil's, what did I say was devil's tongue?
I can't hear you. I don't know if they're going to be able to hear you.
Sorry, devil's tongue, I think. Devil's trumpet. It looks kind of like an upside down trumpet. And I think these are white. Anyway, so I've got those planted and labeled, and what I'm going to do now is spray them with water. Oh, see? Okay, I've done that. And now I'm going to put the lid on them. And then we're going to put them over in the shade, and then when I go in, I'm going to make sure that that's what I'm supposed to do with them. And check back in. Anyway, now I'm about to plant the 5 phlox plants that I showed you in front of the Japanese boxwood hedge, like I mentioned to you in the other video that I was going to do. So that's it. Love y'all. Bye. Hello, I hadn't planned on doing a video tonight, but I'm gonna do a garden update because everything is looking so nice. That's the little rose you saw. And as you can see, I pruned it right after y'all saw it, and it's grown a lot. And this is the rose that Richard got me for Mother's Day. I don't know if you can really appreciate that, but it's kind of apricot colored. This is the tiny little cactus that you saw, and it's really going nuts. It's about doubled in size, I guess, since you saw it last. Nothing's going on with the night blooming cereus, but I've been reading up a little, and apparently it might take 6 months or longer. And that little cactus down there has about doubled since you saw it last. This, I don't know what it's called, I'm sorry, but it isn't very happy. I need to read up on it and see what's wrong. And that is Richard's geranium. He got the most beautiful geranium they had. And I bought this for $1.99. It was a dead rose bush that I have brought back to life. And this just came yesterday. Let's see. It's Ceropegia ampliata. So it's going to look different when it grows up. And this just came yesterday. This is Synagenia tubliflora. That's the tabbouleh. I started to say tabbouleh. Gosh, I have food on my mind. The patchouli, and it's about doubled in size since you saw it last, as has that little pencil cactus back there. The bluebells are starting on a second bloom. They kind of finished their first, and now it's starting to bloom out again. This is some more little succulents that Richard got for me for Mother's Day. This one down here is called ogre's ears. And This little guy has about doubled in size since you saw it. These are doing okay that I repotted. This is some kind of variegated fern that I really love. And this is the stuff you saw before. Cactus having babies. The hydrangeas have started blooming. Look at that. Oh my gosh. These are doing all fine. This little ivy is growing. I transplanted all the aloes to see if they'll do a little better on their own. That's the bougainvillea. It stopped flowering. And this black-eyed Susan is starting to crawl across the ceiling. So I'm going to take it out of that pot and plant it against the fence because I think it would be happier. Here's a little bloom for you. But it's definitely wanting to reach out and touch everything, so. And then down here, there's some kind of little orange. It was a bulb, but anyway, I planted it there, and I have those little concrete birds I put there. And the caladium is really doing quite well and kind of multiplying. The phlox are up here now. There's, see, 1, 2. I can't see them very well. 3, 4, 5. I should probably get out and weed a little bit. And I put this little fence around it. It's just a little green wire fence. And then the lantana has grown a lot since you saw it. It had just been trimmed when you saw it before, and it's grown a lot, and it has started to bloom. So I have some beautiful orange in my yard. There's the hydrangea from over here. And then back here I put in these 2 lilies. I don't know if these will work out at all. One is supposed to be a white bird of paradise, and the other is some kind of Hawaiian ginger. It's called Hawaiian tea. And then right over there is where I'm going to put that apricot rose. I'm going to kind of fill in this whole back area with rose bushes and more bulbs. This azalea, y'all didn't see it while it was blooming. It was really pretty, but you know, when it finishes blooming, it gets all this dead stuff. Every time I walk by it, I pull it off because it's so darn ugly. Anyway, I have a long way to go. So anyway, one last thing. Y'all may remember the little asparagus fern we have right here. Well, a mother has moved in and she's built a nest, and I'll insert a photo because I don't want to mess with her right now, but she is sitting on 5 eggs. And I think we probably have a week to go before we give birth. Christmas cactus doing okay. I planted seeds over here. So far, oh my gosh, I've got some coming up. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's see what's what. Okay, I have one sweet basil coming up. And these are, I can't remember what my little codes mean now. Oh, this is shishito peppers, Japanese peppers. And then these are, I can't remember, but something's coming up down there. Oh my gosh. I thought it was hopeless. Nothing seemed to be happening. Anyway, That's it for today. Love y'all. Bye.